Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. Your Airtel account must be active and your SIM provisioned for VoLTE. Insert the SIM, ensure your phone is unlocked and supports VoLTE. This is mandatory. Once done, update carrier settings and Android or iOS to the latest stable build because handset software negotiates VoLTE capabilities. Make sure your APN isn't blocking IMS. If you changed it before, restore Airtel defaults. Now move to enabling network options and verifying IMS registration. You go to Settings, then Mobile or Cellular Network, and choose the Airtel SIM slot. Turn on VoLTE or Enhanced 4G calling. On many phones, you must also set the preferred network to LTE only or LTE/3G/2G. Once enabled, reboot. This forces IMS registration with Airtel. After reboot, monitor the status area for the VoLTE or HD call icon. If visible, your device registered successfully. If it does not appear, proceed to network-level checks and Airtel provisioning. You finish by making a test call. A successful VoLTE call shows improved call setup time and HD audio. If calls still route over 3G or 2G, confirm Airtel has provisioned VoLTE on your number, contact support, or use their activation code or SMS workflow. Also test in an area with strong LTE coverage because VoLTE requires LTE radio. If problems persist, reset network settings and reinsert the SIM. This often clears registration hiccups and completes activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.